Hey everybody, this is Living with Perks, and today we have a new video for you. I wanted to give you an update of what we're doing. We actually moved out into a brand new house, a nice, huge, beautiful home. We're very excited, very tired. Today we got a video where we're going to actually build a couple computer desks. It's going to be a dad-daughter challenge. We're going to see who can finish the desk first. We bought this desk from Amazon. They're very affordable. They're called the Nost Host. I think that's how you pronounce it. There's some nice desks. Curious to see how they turn out, but we're gonna put them in the kids' rooms. Very excited to put them together, and I just thought instead of the standard tutorial video of assembling a desk, we'll make it kind of a challenge. We're gonna do a time lapse of us building the desk and see who finishes first. If there's any struggles or anything, we'll discuss that in the video. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun, be interesting to watch, and we're excited to show you the final product. So here we go. All right guys, it's all packaged nicely, instructions right on the top. We're going to get building this. Daughter over here unpacking, ready to rock. All right, we got everything unpacked. This is my set right here. We got Riley building her set over here. It's 1:38. We're gonna get to building, see how long it takes and who finishes first. I think it's gonna be me, the pro builder, because Riley has never built before.
No.
So here we go. Alright, first part done, the little shelf for the monitor, but we're cruising along. Very easy to build so far, so we'll keep going. I'm falling behind a little bit. I only got the one side built. This one over here is getting built a lot quicker than mine. Twisting.
Ow! Scared too.
Building.
Here we go.
Twisty, twisty.
Find it.
What are you trying to find?
No, found it.
Okay.
Yeah.
There he is. Oh. Ah!
Hey y'all.
You're upside down. There's the queen getting up.
If you want.
Still going. We're almost ready. We just need to put the top on it, and it's gonna be done.
Check it out.
It's done, guys.
Definitely.
It is. Look at this. Sturdy. Sturdy. That's all I've
So sturdy. Are you guys confuzzled?
I am confuzzled.
And this guy?
Ow.
Inside of the desk.
We're getting done.
Rock and roll.
Last piece.
Well, you still have that.
That just goes on the top.
Oh, okay. Let's watch him put it on. Wow, great job. Whee. Yeah. Styrofoam, my favorite. Tasty food.
Last piece.
Yo. You got a race, man.
And I'm trying to get this tabletop on, and she's just about complete. How can this happen to me?
You thought you would win, but you're a loser. Haha.
still building mine. Check out that desk over there.
And
all
what's with
complete.
this, like, cheating with, like, different tools that didn't come with the kit?
Oh, whoop.
And he's a cheater! Cheater, cheater,
Look at
pumpkin
using a
eater.
Fancy screwdriver.
Headphones go here. Shelf thing. Shelves. Right there. How do you feel?
So cool.
You're a winner.
Yeah.
You're a loser, man. And you're a cheater. You're using fancy stuff.
I just need something different. Comes with all the tools. But I had something to make this go a little bit quicker.
And you still lost.
Loser!
Use my desk. It is so amazing and so amazing.
So we finished up. She was able to get hers done at about 2:20. I finished mine
Okay.
shortly after,
It was actually quite a long time.
around 2:30, 10 minutes give or take. But they turned out great. Here's my finished desk. Ah, so nice. The nice thing about these desks is they don't have a weird smell to them. A lot of factories have like a weird chemical type smell. They're all water resistant, where that's nice if the kids were to bring a drink up here or you set your coffee down. Definitely don't want to spill and make a mess next to your computer. Has a hook on the side here for sticking your headphones on there. So when you're done with your epic Roblox gaming sesh, you set your headphones down nice out of the way. The shelves can be moved. So if you want to lower this one, there's 2 different levels on it. And overall high quality, really durable, and it's actually very lightweight, easy to carry around from room to room in the sake of moving.
In the sake
So-
of moving.
We did a good job. This was dad and daughter living with perks. We appreciate you guys watching the video. If you want to buy this product, I'll have a link in the description. Coupon codes might be available for you, so take a look. And
So cool. So amazing. So beautiful.
exactly.
Like me.
Subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you
Till
next time.
next time.
Peace.